Hello and welcome back to the mood. Today we are the 1st of April 2021 and I just want to show you this graph from actually I posted it on Twitter on the 23rd of March and everybody was freaking out because we were dumping and all the YouTubers all over YouTube were telling you this was the right time to short. Well, no, I was telling you exactly this last week. Today we bounce, next week same time 2100k. Mark my words, we didn't get to 2100k, but guys, this is not that bad. What we have today is just good. It's just good. We are at 1945, so nearly 2000. The movement is there, the upward movement is there, and we are going to get there at some point. I believe we're gonna have a little bit of something, but you need to watch the video I'm gonna explain to you right now. So please, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing right now. I'm giving you updates on Bitcoin and many altcoins on a daily basis. So you would be extremely welcome to join this growing number of subscribers here on this very small YouTube channel. I'm never gonna sell you anything. I'm not gonna send you over Bybit or over any other exchanges for my own profit, you know, guys. So please share this video, subscribe to it, and without further ado, let's get into the daily analysis. So that was a very exciting night for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see here my chart with my prediction that I drew how many days ago? 5 days ago. I think we are going back there. We are going to bump into that resistance line very soon, but I can see even on Ethereum, and if you see my chart, I plan this move here upward. If you can see here, we have a little bit of an issue coming up here. We have this bearish divergence that is showing up here, so that's why I actually sold my position right now. Last night when I was in profit, I'm starting to be a little bit freaked out by what I see here. I see too much confidence. MACD is crossing still upward, but this is bothering me, and when I see on the 4-hour chart any bearish divergence here, I mean, if we don't have any real euphoria, that's the sign that you have to go out of that trade, and that's what I did. Now let's see if during the day we got a big euphoria peaking up, but I'm pretty sure that for now it's all done. So that's what I draw actually 5 days ago. We are probably going to retrace here, and 1869 would be actually a great price to buy and get back to enjoy that benefit from that move up to the 2100 line resistance. And actually, you know, guys, we all know that Ethereum can go much higher, and on a daily chart we can see that Ethereum for me can totally enterprise discovery up there, and yeah, we can go as high as 5000k much probably, but let's stay cautious and let's not skip steps. You know, it's important to always take your time. Do not stress, do not FOMO, do not follow advices from other people telling you to short or to go in. Like last night, it was a festival of yeah, Bitcoin is gonna pump now to 70k over YouTube. So please don't follow that kind of advices, and you're always welcome to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to keep it simple and humble so that everybody can understand my prediction, and that's how we're gonna grow all together, and we are going to ride this bull until the summer and take the maximum of benefits out of it, and that's all we have to do here. That's all we are here for. So going back to my past prediction, for now this prediction is still accurate. I'm not gonna extend it or try to draw more. I think we are going to retrace here, that's for sure. So we'll check it out tomorrow. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, it will be time to do it so we can check it together tomorrow. And now let's go to my other analysis. Luna, as you guys know, for those who were already subscribing to the channel, told you to buy it here, told you to sell it here. It was very simple. Very simple. I timed, that's my most perfect timing on all the coins I comment on this channel. You guys have to admit, leave it in the comments down there. I did a perfect timing on that trades, and I told you guys to sell it here, and I'm telling you guys to buy it there. and we are dumping since that. Some people, some Luna maximalists were saying, oh no, why are you saying it's dumping? Well, it kind of did. I'm gonna explain, guys. I'm gonna explain to you once we reach 1000 subscribers, and it's actually very soon. A little bit of my technique, but I think after that we're gonna need 10,000. let's be greedy. At last on YouTube I can be greedy, but during your trade it's never good to be greedy. You are your worst enemy. Don't forget that when you trade. BNB, let's go to my prediction on BNB. That was my prediction that I did on the BNB video, and it's super accurate right now. I think we are going to range here and at some point bump back there. So I was trading it this morning. I did enjoy this little ride from here to there. Now I sold it because I'm waiting to see where it's going. I can see here something that I don't really like. On the BNB RSI, we see that we have some red here showing up, and that's what I don't like to see when I see some red on the RSI. When I see a divergence, I always get out of my position, even if after euphoria strikes and the price keeps going up. Well, I know I saved my ass for something, and most of the time a bearish divergence, especially on the 4 hours, turns out to be something very important signal not to ignore. I got my prediction on Link. Oh, Link price has been ranging in my targets, but I think we might also see a little drop and go back there, and then we are good for a real bounce, and it's gonna be amazing. AVAX is ranging, so I updated my prediction. I'm gonna do a full video over AVAX. AVAX at some point is gonna bump, it's gonna pump, it's gonna do whatever you want to call it, but it's gonna go up there to $46. So I'm still in that trade, and I'm waiting for it to succeed. Dent was an interesting prediction. I was very happy to discover that coin. I'm still in. I want to ride this little puppy up to the 0.017, but I'll check out what's happening over Bitcoin and over other currency during the day to see if I stay in or not. So I think everything is good, so I'm staying in for now. If you want to know when I get out of that trade, Twitter account, I'm gonna tweet it there, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to my Twitter account, and don't forget to subscribe, of course, to the channel right here. VET, I think at some point I'm gonna do a more precise analysis on it. I really need to find my coin for this afternoon, my next trade. So please, guys, leave your suggestion right now in the comments, and I'm gonna read it right after, and decide what coin I'm gonna pick for my next analysis and probably my next trade also. VET doesn't look bad at that point, but yeah, we got a MACD crossing here, positive. It doesn't look bad at all. Let's see quickly on the daily how it looks like on the daily. However, it's a little bit topping right here, so I don't think that's the moment I would like to get in VET, but it deserves a deeper analysis. Clearly, it deserves a deeper analysis. What else do we have? Let's have a quick look at Cardano. Cardano is doing good. He's doing good. It recovered a little bit. It's actually supported by this resistance line on the RSI. However, I see more ranging here. I don't see anything crazy right now, because the MACD is actually still a little bit bearish, and we got a little bit too much of confidence on the market over Cardano. So when you got too much confidence, most of the time we are ranging, and that's what I drew here. And I'm never touching these drawings. You'll be able to check it out tomorrow with me together. No, seriously, it's amazing to see that this channel is starting to grow. It feels great, and yeah, it can be something. It can be something. You know, guys, if you watched my yesterday video, how I want to change the YouTube, the crypto YouTube, I think it's full of I cannot say the word, but you guys deserve better than what's going on there. I'm never gonna do you a that kind of thumbnails. Did I do it already? No, I'm never gonna do that. I swear to you, the day I do a then we are in a bad situation. So let's have also a quick look at Litecoin. Litecoin is ranging as I predicted, so maybe it's gonna be time to update this drawing. Let's go on the daily chart. Let's see what we have here. So that's my working chart. That's why it's a little bit in a Basquiat-ish style. And when I do a full analysis of Litecoin, I'm gonna clean it out for you guys. Litecoin is actually, I see good stuff for the coming days. So we were ranging, I see a little bit more ranging, but MACD crossing, RSI in the middle, enough fear. Litecoin is going to push higher, guys. I would not be surprised if soon, around the 15th of April, we'll reach again to $230 on Litecoin. So that's going to be an interesting buy eventually for today. Maybe I should actually make my full analysis over Litecoin, and that make me want to buy it right now. Maybe I'm gonna do it right after that. Doge is ranging because Elon Musk doesn't care about it anymore. And guys, that's gonna be it for today. So welcome again to all the new subscribers of this channel. I'm super happy to see it grow. Please don't forget to subscribe it, and share this link, share the link to the video to all your friends, to all the people you can on your socials, on everything. If we can change a little bit the crypto YouTube, that would be amazing together. Again, I promise I'm never gonna do a thumbnail like that, and I'm never gonna sell you any referral link on over Bybit or whatsoever, guys. What we want here is just to get wealthier together during this bull run. Ride the bull until he's exhausted, until we you know what I mean. So please obliterate the like button today. Please do obliterate it. I think at that point that's what I'm gonna do. And as you are kind people, I'm gonna check if I can bring you the cat for one last goodbye. Just a second. That's gonna be your reward for staying until the end of the video. And I'm gonna rename my baby Crypto, guys. Okay, that's Crypto. This is gonna be our mascot. He's a sweetie. Okay, guys. So say bye bye. Say bye bye, Crypto. Bye bye. I think he wants to go, but guys, thank you for coming, and see you tomorrow. No, see you later today afternoon.